Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a journey with exploring wellness with pineapple. Are you ready to enter a world of thriving health and learn about the amazing advantages that the exotic joy of pineapple can provide you? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the impressive range of health benefits that this golden fruit has to offer. Pineapple genuinely shines as a superstar in the area of holistic well-being, supporting your immune system, calming digestion, and improving the natural brilliance of your skin. So let's settle in for this journey as we discover the many ways that pineapple can improve your health, including a simple yet delightful hot mulled pineapple recipe. Whether you're a devoted pineapple enthusiast or someone intrigued by the prospect of elevating your overall wellness, get ready for a treat. Without further delay, let's peel back the layers and uncover the secrets behind the health benefits of pineapple. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about all things health and wellness. Let's dive right in. Pineapple is a delectable and nutrient-packed fruit that should find its way into everyone's diet. Packed with nutrients and antioxidants, pineapple might just be your ticket to reducing inflammation. The benefits of consuming pineapple are abundant. This juicy gem, known scientifically as ananas, presents us with a plethora of health benefits. Now, let's take a look at the nutritional value of pineapple. Pineapples strike a balance with low calorie content and a rich nutrient profile. These include essential elements such as calories, fat, protein, carbs, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin B6, copper, thiamine, folate, potassium, manganese, magnesium, niacin, pantothenic acid, riboflavin, and iron. And now, here are 15 remarkable benefits of pineapple. 1. Rich in vitamin C. Pineapple is a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, aids in wound healing, and promotes healthy skin. Has vitamin C in pineapple in abundance, that's why it is the best fruit that can provide you with anti-aging effects. Pineapple can make you look younger and prevent cell death. Its high antioxidant and vitamin C content is said to benefit the immune system. 2. Digestive aid. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that can help improve digestion by breaking down proteins and reducing bloating. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain in pineapple has anti-inflammatory effects, which may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. Also, can help prevent acne, dermatitis, psoriasis, and eczema. Bromelain enzyme helps in shedding the uterine lining. This enhances the period's flow and helps women who face irregular periods. Eating pineapple regularly can help you to have normal periods or sometimes with heavy flow. 4. Supports bone health. Pineapple has a high manganese content, a mineral important for bone health and the formation of connective tissues, which helps to strengthen the bones. Manganese helps to maintain bone strength and, when combined with zinc, copper, and calcium, can be extremely beneficial. 5. Healthy skin. Vitamin C and antioxidants in pineapple can contribute to healthy skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against damage from free radicals, which can aid in the treatment of sun damage, acne, and uneven skin color or toning. 6. Enhances growth of hair. Pineapple has vitamin B1 and B6 that helps in hair growth and reduce hair loss. Also contributes to the appearance of cleaner, shinier hair. Eating pineapple every day can help in strengthening the hair follicle and speeds up hair growth. 7. Strengthen the muscles. Pineapple is a good source of valine and leucine, two essential amino acids for muscle tissue growth and repair. Women need energy to maintain health of their muscles. 1 glass of pineapple juice daily will assist you in overcoming fatigue and increasing your stamina, enabling you to run all day. 8. Improves fertility. Pineapples have a proven ability to improve fertility by facilitating conception. It contains bromelain, an anti-inflammatory, and anticoagulation, blood-thinning agent that, according to a 2012 study, can have an effect on the immune system. By increasing blood flow to the uterus, it may improve implantation. 9. Support eye health. Pineapples contains beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are beneficial for maintaining good vision and eye health. 10. Hydration. Pineapples have a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated, especially in hot weather. 11. Weight management. The fiber content in pineapple can contribute to a feeling of fullness, potentially aiding in weight management. 12. Heart health. The potassium content in pineapple can help regulate blood pressure, promoting overall heart health. 13. Anti-cancer properties. Some research suggests that the antioxidants and compounds in pineapple may have potential anti-cancer effects. 14. Antibacterial properties. The bromelain enzyme in pineapple has been studied for its potential to inhibit the growth of certain bacteria. 15. Natural sweetness. Pineapple can be a healthier alternative to sugary snacks due to its natural sweetness and fiber content. Remember, while pineapple offers these benefits, it's important to consume it as part of a balanced diet and in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to mouth irritation due to its acidic nature. If you have specific health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Let's find out how to make a simple hot mulled pineapple recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium pineapple, peeled, cored, and chopped into chunks. 4 cups water. 1/4 cup brown sugar. Adjust to taste. 1 cinnamon stick. 4 to 6 whole cloves. 1 small piece of ginger, peeled and sliced. 1 small orange, sliced optional. Star anise, cardamom pods, and nutmeg, whole or ground, for added flavor. Instructions. In a pot, combine chopped pineapple, water, brown sugar, cinnamon stick, cloves, ginger slices, optional spices if desired. Gently bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat. Let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to infuse flavors and spices into the pineapple. Taste and adjust sweetness with more brown sugar if needed, considering the natural sweetness of the pineapple. Once flavors meld and pineapple softens, remove the pot from heat. Carefully ladle the hot mulled pineapple into cups or mugs. For extra citrus flavor and presentation, add a slice of orange to each cup. Enjoy the warm and comforting hot mulled pineapple, a perfect treat on chilly days. If you found this video insightful and mouth-watering, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow pineapple lovers. We're committed to bringing you more enlightening content on health and wellness, so stay tuned for our upcoming videos that will keep you informed, motivated, and on the path to a vibrant life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of pineapple's health benefits. Until next time, stay juicy and stay well.